Hello everyone, my name is Arfan and today I'm going to talk about environmental and climate changes and atmospheric changes too. There are three main reasons for that, and the first reason is air pollution. We're increasing air pollution by bursting firecrackers, by producing greenhouse gases, by not using electric vehicles, by not using public transports, and I think we should work upon these things because us public only are increasing air pollution, which is not good for our environment. Plus I'm shocked that government is also not doing anything for that. Like they can do a lot of things for this, but they are not doing anything, which is like not good. And I think we should work upon this, because if we don't work, so the government will also not take a step for air pollution. The second reason for environmental and climate change is that we are doing deforestation, which is lacking of oxygen. The carbon dioxide, methane, nitrogen, these kind of gases, factory and greenhouse gases is increasing in our environment. That's why the oxygen is getting reduced, and the farmers are saying like we can make a lot of things from wood if we cut down trees. The environment is not getting destroyed. They think like that, but my point of view, and I think yours point of view is also changing while listening to the reasons by me. So I think we should work upon these reasons, that we should not cut down trees, because people are like getting to hospitals, people are dying, wildlife is changing their habitats, they are not working on their habitats, wildlife is also dying, and people are also suffering from respiratory disorders, asthma, cold, cough, fever, and a lot of more things. So I think that should be reduced a lot. This third and the main reason for environmental and climate change is water wastage. We waste water because we we litter around the water banks, river banks basically, and we just destroy water a lot. And we also throw water down the drains. Suppose I'm thirsty, so when I drink water, I used to do this. So when I was drinking water one day, I just threw the rest of the water, because I only needed half glass of water. So I just threw the rest of the water, and from now, when I studied all of this, I was like, no, I should have not done this, because if we stop wasting water, I could have also kept it for later. But no, I just threw it down the drain, which was not good, and now I'm feeling guilty because of that. And I think we all should work upon this, because government is doing nothing, and public can only improve our environment, our air quality, our water for next generation. Because if we waste water now, the next generation won't get any water. Trust me, I'm not joking around. But yeah, the next generation won't get water at all. So I think that we should work upon these things, little things which can surely improve like 70 to 80% of our environment. And I also promise that I'll also be working upon these things what I shared with you right now. Thank you.